Hi, bestie. I am back to do some cash stuffing, and today's focus would be on my dot marker savings challenge that I started doing last month. So let me know how you're doing in the chat. Hopefully all is well with you and yours. Leave a dot or circle in the comments of your favorite color. Alright, so my favorite color is blue. Then I think it's black. It's for some reason right now I'm liking pink. But I remember when I used to love pink as a little girl. Alright, so I want to do my debt savings challenge, and I did end up budgeting to cash stuff $10 today for this. This is for, just in case if you're new here, this is for my credit card bill, and I only do 1 month ahead savings challenge, and this is this one here. So this will go towards my April bill. Alright, so let me get some dot markers. I need to get my paint dot marker. And let me go ahead and get this out. And I've been enjoying doing the month ahead savings challenge for my credit card. And I might end up start doing it for some of my other bills. Cause it has been working for me for this one. So I should be finished off paying off my credit card bills soon. So we shall see. And I just might just start doing some other month aheads. And I just gotta decide on which one I want to do. And if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments. So a couple of weeks ago, I did end up getting the glitter dot markers here. So I'm trying to activate them so I can go ahead and snap the $10. And there we go. So I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished this challenge for the month of April. And it looks like I have, $25 left to complete this one. And this savings challenge book, if you're interested, it is on Amazon. And I have the link in the description. Alright, so let me add this to the cash envelope. And I'm going to count it up just to make sure that it reconciles to what I've already saved. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 35. Yep, because that's $35 that I saved. And like I said, I have $25 left, which totals $60. Alright, so that is my debt savings challenge here. And last week when I did the dot market savings challenge, I wasn't able to save towards my granddaughter's birthday. So I did end up allocating or budget to save towards this challenge this week. So let me find a purple dot marker. What? Is it 2 purples in this one? Let me pull them both out. So that says purple here and the other one is fuchsia. Okay. I thought this one was purple too. Alright. So I only allocated to save $8. Her birthday isn't until May, so I do have some time for her to save towards her birthday. But now that I'm thinking about it, my great niece's birthday is in April, and I might have to, because I started off this challenge with for my granddaughter. I might end up, I probably need to start another birthday challenge real quick to save up for my great niece, my oldest great niece, because her birthday is in April. And I totally forgot about that, and I just thought about that. Alright. Yeah, I have to figure that out because I initially started this one for the granddaughter, so I definitely need to start something else for my great niece. Alright, so let me go ahead and add this to the cash envelope. I'm glad I thought about that. I need to text my nephew and see what does she want. I know she likes Bluey. I have to find out, but I got Bluey for Christmas for her. So I don't know if I want to do Bluey for her birthday. So let me count this money up. Alright, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30. So I saved $30 so far for my granddaughter's birthday. Yeah, I have to find out from him what does she like. And then I can kind of price out what I can get for her birthday. Because I definitely got to get my girl something. She will start school this coming up school year. I'm so excited for her. I was talking to my brother today about our grandkids, and it's just a joy and a blessing just to watch them. And it's just amazing, the next generation after our kids. Alright, so I did make a new dot marker savings challenge book that's geared towards family celebrations like Christmas, birthdays, and vacations. And I'm going to do a quick flip through of my sample copy. Alright? So both of these books are available on Amazon, but I do have the printables attached to my YouTube page. Alright, so in this one, I don't have all the different trackers like I have in the other dot marker. And with this Savings Challenge workbook right here, you will be able to save over $2,000. Whereas the dot marker Savings Challenge book that I just worked on, you will save over $5,000. But it does start off with like the Christmas theme type of saving challenges. And then it will go into, if I remember correctly, the birthday challenges will be next. And no matter what your income is, it's definitely income friendly. And now is the time to start saving for Christmas this coming up year. And if you have any birthdays, why not start? And if you already saved for your vacations for this year, you can go ahead and start for a vacation for next year. But it's user friendly, and I'm using dot markers like the bingo type of dabbers to do this, but you definitely don't have to use that. You can definitely use crayons, color pencils, or markers. So, just different challenges. But majority of the challenges in here is for Christmas. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do one of these birthday challenges in here for my goddaughter after I find out exactly, not my goddaughter, my great niece, after I find out exactly what she wants for her birthday. Cause she is about to turn 5 years old. Like, wow. And I used to take care and watch my great niece. So when I checked passports, it was 165. So I definitely wanted to make a saving challenge for that. And for the cruise, you can just decide on your own personal goals. And like I said, I did include a couple of trackers here, and they're kind of different from my other book. But if you want to track your savings, you do have the ability to do that too. Alright. So, Bestie, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Toodles.